Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ankush. Okay. s- Today I've just created a one kind of real world dashboards. This is the support operational QBR dashboards. Okay, I've just finished and published into my Tableau public profile. If you wanted to look, you can see that. I'll show you. Let me. So this is a kind of assessment they have provided me. So based on that, I've created this dashboard using the rounded corners. Okay, so this is the dashboard I've created. Like we have the KPIs, follow with, we have the charts, trend, and some the cross tabs. Okay, and the left side we have the navigation. Okay, although we have only for the QBR overview, but if you want, you can create trend analysis, risk deep dive, industry breakdowns, and so forth and so on. Okay, so if you want, how can we create this kind of dashboard? Just let me know. If just comment down on the chat. Definitely, I will let you know how can we create this. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this.